Look, in Japan is a philosophy that says real change does not begin with a great revolution. It begins with a small step,
Step.
This philosophy is called Kaizen. It means continuous, gradual improvement with small steps, small habits.
Habit code.
Not through pressure, not through violent self-fighting, but through small, repeated actions that slowly change the whole system. Listen, in the spirit of the old Japanese warriors, samurais even, it was never only about strength in a moment. It was about daily discipline, repeating small movements for a long time. They become natural. One breath, one gesture, one decision, one moment of control. And this is exactly how habits change.
Works.
You do not have to defeat yourself in one day. You only have to win a small moment. And then another one. And another one. Small moment, small habit broken. Only then does the real method begins. The biggest mistake when breaking bad habits is that you try to beat them with your force. Will force, brain force, etc. You tell yourself, from today,
It's over.
no more cigarettes, no more alcohol, no more sweeteners, no more scrolling at night, in the morning when I wake up. And for a moment, you feel power. You feel empowered. Why? You feel decision, you feel control. But very often, your brain hears something completely different. It hears restriction, loss, pressure, bite. And the brain does not like sudden losses. It does not like it. It does not like big changes. It does not like when something that gave quick relief from stress is taken away in a 1 second time. That is why the old habit often starts fighting even harder. Not because you are weak. It is not about weakness. Not because you have no character. It's also not that. But because you are trying to use conscious decision to defeat an automatic system loop that works faster than your, guess what? Thoughts. It works even more efficient than your thoughts. Nervous system. Habits imprinted in it. And this is where Kaizen works differently. The Kaizen method, the Japanese Kaizen method, does not say change your whole life today. Kaizen says change one small moment. It does not say never again. No, it says not now.
Not now.
Yes, I will do, not now, later. And this is the huge difference. Because when the impulse appears, the decision is postponed. Signal, reaction. The desire to smoke, to drink alcohol, eat something sweet, or pick up the phone. You do not have to go to war with it immediately. You can do something much more wiser. You can say, okay, signal is there, sweeteners, telephone, alcohol, nicotine. But in 10 minutes, you will react. There is signal, but not reaction. Reaction will be in 10 minutes. And you are not creating drama because you admitted, the signal is there, I approve. But in 10 minutes, I delay, I postpone the reaction instead of reacting immediately. You are creating no drama. You are not triggering an inner war with yourself, not do. You are simply placing a small gap, a small pause between the signal and the reaction.